afternoon. So the Director of Space Launch got called off to Newcastle, so I stepped in last minute. So sorry if this isn't as technical as I would have liked it to have been. This is our team. We're a spacecraft launch company, of course, a lot younger than Gilmore. We've been around for approximately 6 months. We have people from Thales, several people from Sydney Uni who we're collaborating with at the moment. We've also been working with Kirby Icon of APAC, which has been invaluable. And we have, for our first engine design, got some feedback from Warwick Holmes, the ex-ESA engineer. So that was also invaluable. And we're working with him on the next iteration of our first prototype engine. This has probably been followed to death, but due to some failures here, there's a big bank of CubeSats being announced, and there is a general trend moving up, and this is what we wanted to capitalize on in terms of launch. I think everyone here knows that already. So when we did a lot of the analysis, we figured there's a very, very clear winner of what we want to be launching, so the 3U CubeSats. In terms of history, we didn't start too long ago, and we only became a company in January 2017. We've just completed, after getting some seed funding from Sydney Uni Incubate, we've just graduated from that, where we are collaborating with Delta V as well, and Tim Parsons. And we've just completed our first engine test a couple of weeks ago. So, next up, as you can see, it's pretty, it's losing a lot of efficiency there. It's, if this doesn't work, we will be selling flamethrowers. But some of the data that we did get, we are working with Warwick on using that to get a more efficient engine on the next run. We're also applying for a lot more funding to start moving through iterations on this design, but we did get some valuable data from that. That's another blurry picture, not working so well. So this is the two-stage rocket that we initially envisioned. Sorry, this is Andrew, one of the co-founders and one of the engineers for it in aerospace engineering. So he might be able to cover some of the more technical details if you had any questions on that. But what we originally imagined for the company idea was to be able to turn around a CubeSat launch within 30 days. And that would be at peak efficiency. We think if we could do that and provide some of the people in this room or some of the businesses that you're representing with a turnaround that quickly, you can start iterating and innovating on CubeSat designs very, very quickly. So you can start A/B testing or even further. So instead of sending 88 up at once, which I think Planet did, they could have sent up 5 separate CubeSats, tested 5 different ones, and then instead of sending a version 4 with a next to a version 6 iteration, that could have been saved, but that was the reality at the moment. So this is what we're aiming for. Very, very early stage ideas of cost would be approximately $100,000. We're working with the government on trying to get that down at the moment. We've been working with with defense as well. So we have a few collaborators there that I won't go into in too much detail, but this would be what we're looking for in terms of launch. Our first test launch is ideally next year. That's what we're aiming for. And that's about it.
Don't you love those ones that come in early? Yeah, right.
Why Paralox?
Why?
Yeah.
It's tried and trusted.
Okay.
So far, yeah.
Up the back.
Just wondering what the specific impulse is.
I can't remember because someone else did the calculation for it. I think he based it off on 260 or something. So it's pretty
It's not
low.
going to hear you if you're whispering.
So the guy who did the calculations, I think he based it on 260 or something like that. But I can't be too sure because he did the calculations.
Anyone else? All right, thanks guys. So the next one is a Zoom presentation